Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce you our new concealed ITS-630 door closer. This door closer you can use for steel doors, for wood doors, and of course also for profile doors. This door closer is certified EN1154 according to the EN standard 1154. So that means it can actually be used for doors with up to 1.4 meters width. Additionally, this door closer has also a CE mark. That means you can use it for fire protection doors and smoke control doors. When we look at the door closer, we see it's a very compact unit. The measurements is just less than 40 millimeters by 54 millimeters. But it has actually a lot of power. It can move doors from up to 220 kg. After we have installed the door closer, we can actually still adjust everything. The closing force, the closing speed, the latching speed, and also the back check, which comes installed in this product. What is another feature of our ITS-630 is that it has cam action. So the opening is much easier than with a standard door closer. If you want to know more about this door closer, visit us on our website or contact our team and we will see how we can help you best.